Great morning, ladies and gentlemen. It's your boy Dashinq. We back with another one. We about to hit these streets, get this cash. You know what I'm saying? That's what it's about.
Let's try it again, silly rabbit. Try it again.
We don't want nothing but diamonds. That's all we want. Diamonds. I am the Diamond King. Let's get some money.
All right.
You feel
First order of the day, Panera bread. Da, da, da. It's a $4.50 for 2.5 ounce. You know, let's go ahead and get the wheels rolling. All right, this is the first drop off. You know my signature. I gotta show y'all the bed. Show you the bag.
All right, you guys. I just got a crazy order. I never even seen this kind of order, man. I don't know. This is a new type of deal here, man. $17.25 for 3.5 miles.
Remember this moment. Pause. I got fleeced. I thought it was for 6 miles. It was for 12.8 miles. So I got finessed. It wasn't no 720. That shit was not worth it.
I don't know what kind of order this is.
It was a good order, though.
Let's get it. All right, here we go.
Oh, that's the package right there, the pickup.
Day and day tomorrow, so all I know is grind. I've been searching for some answers, but they hard to find. Nobody helped me with my trouble, but there was a sign. Don't worry about nobody. Day and day tomorrow, so all I know is grind. I've been searching for some answers, but they hard to find. Nobody helped me with my trouble, but there was a sign. Don't worry about nobody. Big guap, but nigga get popped. Cornerstone, no beef.
Got another Panera 550. Look at this nigga.
Shout out to Dashinq, man.
Hey, yo, look at the block buzz. We got block buzz. 550 for 2.5 miles. I'm gonna add you in there too. Yeah. All right, here's a drop off. I don't know for where. All right, we got a Starbucks order, $7.75 for 3.1 miles. Let's grab this. You feel me? We've been doing smooth so far this morning. All right, we got a $7.50 plus for 2.7 miles. Chipotle. We just grinding away, man. I'm on live with the guys and we talking. What the fuck? Why are they closed? Oh, they ain't opening yet. Are they closed? All right, this is that $7.75 plus at the school for Mary. She ain't have a little lamb. That motherfucker escaped. All right, we got a Panda Express order, a $10 for 4.5 miles, $10 for 4.5 miles. I don't know if it was a plus. Oh, they ain't got my order ready. So I fucked up again. Wrong restaurant. I know we could have problems. All right, here's this drop off. Boom. Insurance agency. I don't know if anybody's there, but. How you doing?
Good.
Yeah, there you go.
Thanks very much.
All right, have a great day. Yeah, you too. All right, we got a True's pizza order. It's a stacked order. This is a stack. I picked up that first. It's a $5 for 0.5 miles. And I have Panera bread, it's $6.50. All right, I got another Panda. This is the first order that came through. It's $6.50 for 2.5 miles. So let's grab this. Let's grab this. All right, it look like it's gonna rain. It ain't really downpour, but look, this is that second drop off the stack. First one was handed to me. You know, I didn't. Hey, we just got an 825 plus for 2.3 miles. We think this is a good one. Crumble cookies. It's a great one, actually. All right, we got a Slim Chickens order, and they stacked on the Lian Chin. Was it $3? It was actually $3 for, I forgot the mileage, but it's right across the street from my original drop-off destination. So let's grab these 2 orders and keep on pushing. We almost there at our goal. $3 Lian Chin pickup, that the add-on that I received from them. So let's grab this one. Chicken 101, 12201, 2203. All right, here's that second drop off for the stacked order. All right, these are my final pickups. They got stacks. They stacked me. 2 Taco Bell orders. One is $11.25 for 4 miles, and the other one is $3 for additional 1.5 miles, and that's gonna end my day. You feel me? And I'll be able to edit the video and get it uploaded by the time I go to work. Beautiful day. Let's just hope these orders are ready. All right, here's the last drop off. The other one was handed to me, so I handed it to her. Didn't get it in the face with the camera, but I should have. She's a $3 order. You don't trust nobody. Damn sure not no $3 order.